Firefighters believe a lightning strike caused a house fire during Saturday night storms. Crews were called to the home on Tower View Trail in Snellville just before 10 p.m. A neighbor reported flames coming from the roof. Firefighters were able to contain that fire to the attic. One person was inside at the time. Thankfully, they managed to escape on their own.
When severe weather is on the way, the First Alert Weather app is your best tool to track rain and storms before they reach your neighborhood. Scan the QR code on your screen to download the app. It is free for Apple and Android users.